Hey, ever thought about something we all desire but aren't keen on putting in the effort? $1 billion, perhaps? Nah, it's weight loss. And here's a twist. What about something we adore that doesn't align with that goal? Sleep. 2 out of 2, you're on a winning streak. Now, let's attempt the seemingly impossible and merge them, shed those pounds while catching some Z's. First on the agenda, boost metabolism. Ever wonder how some folks can indulge in whatever they fancy, skip the gym, and still dodge weight gain? Their secret magic likely revolves around a butterfly-shaped gland in the neck, the thyroid. Essentially the powerhouse of metabolism, it releases hormones that dictate how efficiently your body burns the calories you consume. Keep your body's natural fat-burning engine humming by providing it with what it craves, foods packed with iodine, zinc, and selenium. Think iodized salt, seaweed, meat, shellfish, and Brazil nuts. Chug that water. Good old H2O gives you a 10 to 30% metabolic boost. Prioritize sleep. These recommendations collectively contribute to calorie burning even while you're in slumber. The buzz about a heightened resting metabolism holds true. Simply getting a solid 8 hours of sleep eliminates 300 calories on its own. Moreover, insufficient sleep prompts your body to seek additional energy, turning to food as the source. This disruption in hormonal levels results in an increased production of the hunger hormone and a decrease in the fullness hormone. In a study involving healthy adults sleeping only 6 hours a day for 5 weeks, the outcome revealed an 8% slowdown in their resting metabolism. Lower the room temperature. When you're cold, your body will need to burn fuel to stay warm, and that fuel is calories. So the colder it is, the more calories it'll get rid of. Hence the whole cold water thing earlier. The best way to do it is to turn the thermostat down to 65 degrees while you sleep. Your body will be doing all the work while you're off in dreamland. Get yourself that morning pick-me-up. I'm not talking about a full-fat latte with whipped cream, but instead, just have a cup of plain black coffee. It can increase your metabolism and help you burn fat while lying around. That same National Institute of Health looked at the effects of caffeine and found that it increased 29% of fat burn in slimmer people and 10% in those who had some extra weight. Caffeine goes straight to your nervous system and orders the fat cells to break down. Cold water. Scientific studies show cold water forces your body to burn more calories since it has to heat up to get that water in your belly. Warmer 6 to 8 cups of water a day will be enough to increase your resting metabolism by 250 calories a day. In other words, you'll be burning fat while resting. Cold showers. The same principle applies to the water you use for bathing. If the water temperature is below 70 degrees Fahrenheit, your body reacts by generating more heat to stay warm. This action accelerates your metabolism, causing you to burn more calories. According to a study from the National Institute of Health, showers below 70 degrees increase metabolism by 93%, and this figure surges to 350% when the water temperature drops to 57 degrees. Begin with a 5-minute cold shower and gradually extend your exposure time by a minute each week, if manageable. Change the oil, not the recipe. No need to give up fried food, just switch your cooking oil to something healthier like coconut or palm kernel oil. Research shows that people who add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in their breakfast aren't as hungry during lunch, and they have less of an appetite later in the afternoon. These 2 oils are also broken down and absorbed quicker into the body, and they help your metabolism get the job done. To spice things up with your meals, add chilies, jalapenos, and pepperonis to your diet. These spicy foods contain a substance called capsaicin. That's what has you reaching for the milk when you eat super spicy stuff. Anyway, it can help your metabolism move faster. I'm talking 10 extra calories with every meal. Spicy foods also decrease your appetite. That slice of spicy pizza for dinner will make you feel fuller for longer, and you won't get hungry again before bed. Season with apple cider vinegar. It's been proven that people who added apple cider vinegar in their diet consume 200 fewer calories every day. That's because it suppresses the part of their brain that controls appetite, so they didn't feel as hungry. It also reduces the amount of fat buildup in the body. So adding just 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in your salad can kickstart your metabolism and keep it from slowing down. Eat carbs. Your muscles use them to speed up your metabolism. Here's how it goes. Let's say you're eating complex carbs. That could be a bowl of whole grain pasta or oatmeal. Your body breaks those carbs down into sugar to give you energy. If that sugar isn't used, it gets stored as fat. But if you're lifting weights, the fuel is used as energy to keep you going. Bodybuilders take in about 50% more carbs to fuel their workouts, and their metabolism is 14% faster than average. Hit the gym. I know, the idea is to lose weight while you sleep, but hear me out. If protein is an exercise, your body turns it into strength. So even though consuming protein is healthy, you must control what your body does with it. Strength training with weights or just bodyweight exercises can make your muscles bigger and tone. Muscles burn 50 calories a day when you're just lying around. Besides muscle building, do some high-intensity workouts. These are exercises that are both quick and powerful. Training that includes things like mountain climbers, side-to-side hops, or squats can help you burn even more fat long after the workout has ended. One study observed young overweight men doing high-intensity workouts for 12 weeks. Their fat mass went down by 4 pounds, and their belly decreased by 17%. Doing nothing and sleeping are great and all, but if you want your body to scorch those calories while you're lying around, regular workouts will do it. Besides, you'll have nice toned muscles as a bonus. Add fiber to your diet. Fiber found in foods like oats, berries, broccoli, beans, and nuts boost metabolism. Maybe you continue to eat unhealthy foods, but you at least combine them with some beans, apples, and strawberries. When that fiber enters your digestive system, it prevents your body from absorbing excess fat. Foods high in fiber also take more time to chew, so you'll also feel fuller for longer. Don't cut your calories. There's a myth that if you eat fewer calories, your body will jumpstart your metabolism as soon as it senses food in your stomach. The trick is to eat enough calories every day and make sure your diet has plenty of fiber, complex carbs, and proteins. Just don't let yourself go hungry. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.